Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the Super Memory for Schools program. My name is Sun Yuan. I'm a teacher in Kingdom Primary School, Govap District, Ho Chi Minh City. I'm very happy to be with you in this lesson. Today, we are going to learn a new lesson, Sounds and Letters of the Unit in the Clothes Shop. Are you ready? Now, let's learn. You look at the three pictures and tell me what letters can you see in these pictures. Picture 1. This is letter T. Picture 2. This is easy, right? This is the letter U. And picture 3, this is letter V. So in this lesson, today, we are going to learn about three letters, T, U, and V, and their sounds. We move on to the letter T. Listen. Letter T, ta. Let's see how to write the uppercase and the lowercase. We have some new words. Listen.
Ta, tent, tent.
Ta, ta, tent. Ta, ta, tent. Tent. Ta, ta, tent. Ta, ta, tent. Your turn. Very good. You have a good voice. You can see letter T here.
Teapot,
Ta, teapot. Teapot. Ta, ta, teapot. Ta, ta, teapot. Your turn. You can see the letter T here. We move on to the next word.
ta, blanket,
Ta, blanket. Blanket. Ta, ta, blanket. Ta, ta, blanket. Your turn. You have a good voice. We move on to the next letter. Letter U.
letter U,
Letter U. Ah, ah. See how to write the uppercase and the lowercase. We have some new words.
umbrella,
Ah, umbrella. Ah, umbrella. Ah, ah, umbrella. Ah, ah, umbrella. Your turn. Good job. You can see the letter U here, right? Next.
up,
Up. Ah, up. Ah, ah, up. Ah, ah, up. Your turn. The next word, unhappy. Ah, unhappy. 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 Ah, ah, unhappy. Ah, ah, unhappy. Your turn. Good job. You have a good voice. Can you see the letter U here? Yes. Very good. This is the face. Correct. We have learned the letter T and letter U. So we will continue with the next letter.